Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1963 Alfa Romeo Giulia Spyder 1600 5-speed convertible. Really good, solid California car. We just purchased this car in the Inland Valley desert area from a lock-up storage shed, and it is almost rust-free. Super good, solid floors, save for a couple little spots. Let me just shut this door here. Yeah, super good car, super solid car, save for a couple little thin spots in the floor, but no body rot. Really good candidate for a restoration. Missing a few items, the grille, the eyebrows, and I think the hubcaps and the air cleaner, but everything else is here. It's got a replacement Weber on it, but we do have the original Solex. You know, interior is pretty much deteriorated at this point, but a car that, you know, has been living in California all of its life. So if you look at the undercarriage photos, super, super solid Alfa for this period. You just look at these cars usually and they start rusting, but this one is really, really good, except for just a couple small repairs on the floor, which is very typical. But rockers, fenders, trunk floor, you know, inners and outers, super, super good original starting candidate for a great restoration. Original colors of gardenia white with red interior and a black top. Nice door fit. The doors are a little stiff just from sitting. I believe it's been sitting. We'll look at the license plate here. This is the California license plate. 1979. So in storage, the past 45 years. And mileage reads about 80,000. But you know, scabby old brown paint over the original gardenia white paint. Like I said, just missing a few chrome items, but you know, Alfa stuff's rare, but you can get new grills nowadays and eyebrows. They're readily, all that stuff's readily available. Needs a set of hubcaps. Interior wise, still has the soft top frame attached. These are the original seats. You can see here the original red poking through, that bright tomato red, which makes these cars real pretty when they're painted this this light creamy white color. Original door panels, original gauges, all the knobs are present, original steering wheel. You can see the dash top pads just deteriorated. Seats I don't think have ever been upholstered. They've just been dyed once. A little bit of repair on the driver's side. Passenger seat looks pretty good. They've got all the slides. Let me open this door panel. You can see here just nice, unmolested, untouched door handles, door panel. Windshield's really good condition. It's the original windshield. You can see here original windshield glass. Oops. And that's in great shape, the windshield. And that's a big expense, so. But yeah, top frame, seats, gauges, steering wheel, windshield, but you can see the original carpets have just kind of gone away, the original rubber mats. In the trunk here, there's a delicious box of all the spares that go with it. The ashtray, the original Solex carb, the original, that's the original trunk, medallion and handle, box of tune-up spares, but you can see all the original white paint. Back here in the battery area, super solid. You can see here just bone dry, little few repairs, not much. But yeah, really, it's the original paint sticker there still left. But yeah, gardenia white. I believe that's the original color. Yeah, parked in May of 79. Let's take a look under the hood. Needs some hood hinge bases. I don't know why they're missing. Maybe somebody needed them and they went missing, but yeah, but under here, correct 1600 engine, 5-speed gearbox. This is an early 63 with drum brakes. Original VIN number. Original engine number down there. 1600 Giulia Spyder 101. All pretty nice and straight here. Hood's in really good condition. And yeah, the grill and eyebrows and a few other little items, but not too much missing. So really good candidate. The engine turns by hand, so that should it may run, it may need a rebuild, but really good little car when you're finished. This is our 1963 Alfa Romeo Giulia Spyder, 1600 5-speed, drum brakes, finished in original colors of gardenia white, red interior, black soft top. Super good California car, sitting here in storage since 1979, so that's 45 years tucked away in a dry storage unit in the Inland Valley here of California. Very, very good restoration start to a nice car. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.